Good YouTube, we are back, and today we got an unboxing video slash overview of the Quadcast S from HYPERX Gaming. This is the original Quadcast microphone, USB microphone. You guys already know all about it, and they didn't really change much, but implemented some RGB lighting into the Quadcast S. Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so with the box, they made it 25 to 30% smaller packaging, and I actually like it. It comes in a very slim box, and it gets straight to everything you need rather than adding additional bulky styrofoam and all the things. The USB cable changed from a USB type A port to USB micro adapter to now a USB type C to USB type A. The USB type C is on the back of the microphone. It still comes with the mounting hardware if you want to mount it on a boom arm. The shock mount rubber bands, or the shock mount bands, are now gray. They are not red anymore. Also, the padding on the box, or the padding that comes with the microphone, is more refined, I guess. Now that it ships in plastic, they added styrofoam on the top and the bottom of the microphone base to avoid any damages that could possibly happen during transport. Here's it next to the original Quadcast. This is when I have both of them on stands. As you can see, when the original Quadcast came out, like that red light or that glow on the microphone, that drew a lot of people's attention, and I actually like that, and that was one of my main deciding factors on choosing this over the Yeti. But now that we have an RGB microphone, I cannot even look at the original Quadcast. It looks very, very different, and like looks bland and boring, and I don't know. I can't go back to it. And I'm glad I'm about to send this back, and I'm glad that they actually came out with this at the time that they came out with it. Because if it was like a week or two later, I wouldn't be able to get my return on this or my refund on this original HYPERX Quadcast. And basically, they kept everything the same, just changed the lighting and added a customization option where you can customize the lighting over the two zones. As you can see, top and bottom, there are two different zones, but you can customize them individually, or you can make the mic sync as a whole, or you can just leave it how it is, which on like a wavy pattern that changes colors over time. But the software is not on Mac. The software is on Windows. Luckily, I got Boot Camp on my MacBook Pro, so I'll be downloading software on my Windows Boot Camp and then changing it if I need to. But I kind of like the stock look of it, and it just looks way better than the original Quadcast. As you can see, this was a simple unboxing and overview of it, and nothing's changed but what I listed in the video. And hopefully y'all are able to get your hands on one if y'all want one now. The new one, not the old one, but they are sold out now on all of the platforms. I checked Amazon, they're sold out. I checked HYPERX, that's where I bought mine from. It's sold out. And I don't know, it just dropped like a couple days ago, and I was lucky to get one. And then the next day I checked, because it delivered in like 2 days. The next day I checked the website, it was already sold out. So I was lucky enough to get my hands on one. I'm lucky enough to return this one and get my refund besides the shipping. But hey, I'm out $60. I ain't really complaining about it. I like the new microphone. It's going to look really good in my setup. I got a new setup video coming very soon before the new generation consoles come next month. And I'm just excited for the growth that is about to happen on this channel, because I got high faith that we are about to take off. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like. If you dislike it, hey, dislike it. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you want to see the further content that I got pushing out, I'm doing a Mafia series right now. And I'm walking through Mafia 1, 2, and 3 on my channel. I upload episodes every other day, and I try to do 2 a day, because I work every other day, and I try to do 2 episodes on my off days. So if y'all want to see future content and future gameplay on the next generation consoles, and what games do y'all want to see, leave a comment down below and subscribe. We got a lot of stuff coming for y'all.